A very good afternoon to my dear viewers. Here you go. The lane cleaning process is going on. They are clearing the dirt and the slate or mud, whatever is there, settled down on the roads due to this flood. Thank God the water has completely, you can say, receded from this particular area. I mean from this particular part of this area, but have a look, it's still there. Good amount of water is there. There also you can see water is accumulated, and on the main road from where you can see that the roundabout is there and the vehicle, that van went right. That's also having too much of water. I don't know why that water is not being drained out, but here you go, and they're cleaning the mess, and this stuff is again, this dirty blackish water is again going on to that particular side only, because that's comparatively on a low-lying area or surface than the remaining ones. Let's see how they go up with the cleaning thing, and I hope that it won't rain again. I mean, in the immediate future, and if it rains very less. Here they are. I think the process of cleaning is going on in that particular main road as well. Yeah, I can see two of such trucks there. Fine. Let's see. Hopefully from tomorrow the businesses will work, the schools will work, but the students have been told for the blended learning here, and it means they will be going, they will, the ones who can go to the school physically are directed to go, but the ones who can't, as the road is blocked or whatever the reasons, they're allowed, provision has been given to them to study from home. For them the online classes will be, or if not the online classes, then maybe the material will be uploaded in the respective platforms that the schools will be using.